Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare a lovely quiche using tomatoes and mushrooms and also preparing a made from scratch paleo gluten-free crust. This is a lovely summer recipe. It's perfect for toddlers, for the entire family, and also it's amazing for parties. I really hope you're going to love this recipe like we did, because the quiche was gone in less than 1 hour. So let's start together and let's prepare the crust first. In a food processor, combine all the crust ingredients, starting from the almond flour, the tapioca flour, the butter in cubes, and the butter should be very cold, it's important, the egg, a pinch of salt, and the honey. Let the food processor work for 30-40 seconds in order to obtain a sticky dough. Transfer the dough on a parchment paper, wrap it, and refrigerate so it will get firm for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit degrees. In a large pan, drizzle 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Let it warm up for a few seconds at medium heat. Add the garlic clove, the minced leek, and the onion. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add the mushrooms and sauté for 7-8 minutes. In a big bowl, add the ricotta and the fresh eggs. Adjust with a pinch of salt and add the fresh basil chopped in pieces. Add also the nutmeg. Whisk all the ingredients together, add the onion mushroom mix and combine very well. Bring the oven down to 350 degrees. Grease the desired tart pan and gently press the chilled dough into the center, filling up the sides and the bottom. At this point, pour the quiche mix into the tart pan. Place the tomato slices on top, and I use heirloom tomatoes with different colors for a more beautiful result. Place the quiche in the oven for 30 minutes or up until you will see that the eggs will be cooked. Let it cool down and enjoy. This is a lovely summer recipe, and for this recipe I added mushrooms because I'm trying to insert mushrooms in my kids' diet. Right now they don't like mushrooms. Still, exposure is a key element with kids. You need to offer the same food, the same ingredients many times before your kids will start enjoying it. And the suggestion is to never give up. So my kids right now, they don't want mushrooms. So what I've been doing, I've been adding mushrooms in many recipes that I prepare, and I tell them to just try just a bit. Sometimes it just happens that they just remove the mushroom, but what is starting happening is that they try just a bit, and that's all I want, that they start getting used to the taste, and that's when they will start enjoy the taste of mushrooms. So for this quiche I added mushrooms too. Of course, you can sweet mushrooms with other vegetables, so zucchini is a lovely idea too. I really hope your kids and your family is going to enjoy this recipe. If you have any comment, leave them in the area here below. If you want to check the ingredients list, the printable recipe and the procedure, the link to it is in the area here below too. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. Every single week you will receive a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!